Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today I have an unboxing from sweetkawaiidesign.com. This is the same company that uses vinyl stickers that I get for a monthly subscription box, but this time I went ahead and just ordered a huge amount of stickers. So let's see, I am dying to open this up and see what's inside. And look how cute it's packaged. It says, "Thank you for supporting our small business, Tessa and Zach." Oh my goodness. This is my receipt. So if this tells you anything, you're in for a long haul. And there might be some in here that are expletives. I know that she has some, and I believe that I did purchase some. So if I see any, I will not say it out loud, but I will try to save them to the end, but I don't know where they are in this pile of goodness. So unfortunately, I'll probably just have to just keep going with it. But so this is a budget sampler. And I'm not sure if I ordered this or if this was a freebie. I don't remember ordering a budget sampler. And I see there's two of them, so I don't know. Let's see what else is in here, and then maybe I'll be able to know. But I do like it. There's the phone and the laptop, so like all the different utilities. And then savings, pay bills, bill due, withdrawal, deposit. There's credit card, time to budget, bill, paydays, no spend, don't go to the ATM. And then this is account status, checking, savings, and then budget. So this is good for 6 months, and or however you want to do it. I don't know if you want to do it monthly or weekly or however people want to do it. I mean, you can use it however you want, obviously. But that's really cute. I like that, and I'm kind of glad that there's two because I'm going to give one to Katie. So I'm going to go ahead and make two different piles. So I may have ordered some extras for Katie and for Tracy. So I don't know. I don't remember exactly. I don't think I ordered a lot of extras in this big, huge haul, but I may have. This one is a weekly kit, I believe, and it's for graduation. And this is called the Itty Bitty Plan With Me Graduation. And my daughter is supposed to be graduating this year. Well, she is graduating this year. She's not supposed to be. She is graduating this year. We just don't know when it's going to be, when they're going to hold the ceremony. But she already even got offered a teaching job. Yay! So anyway, be the change you want to see in the world. You made it. Believe in yourself. You will be unstoppable. I thought that these would be cute to use when we know more. Graduation is not the end, it's the beginning, and then this is a countdown for graduation. And cute. Look at the little guys. I love them. So cute. So that'll be a really fun kit to use. And I kind of like it when shops do their kits in individual things. But, I mean, I know it's not always practical or necessary, but it's kind of handy when I'm sorting through them. So that just is another positive thing about this shop. I love it. And this one says, "Hello Weekend." This is a hippo plan with me. And cute little hippos. "Don't judge me, I'm hangry. Donut worry, be happy. High five, you got this. $2 Tuesday, need caffeine. Netflix and binge. Some foods. Enjoy the little things." Super cute. Looks like maybe date night. And then there's the days and the dates. And a little bit of washi. "Hello Weekend." I love it. Super cute. And this one is another kit. And it's called Brunch. These are pancakes. You had me at brunch, but first brunch, coffee, brunch, chill. Cute. Wake me for mimosas. And some half boxes. And the washi and the day and dates, little stacks of pancakes. And these are eggs with toast. Super cute. And this one is a crafty one. Let's get crafty. Washi, hot glue gun. Kill them with craftiness. Crafting is the best medicine. I can totally make that. Eat, sleep, craft, repeat. Happiness is homemade. Oh, and there's crayons and then the rulers for the washi. That's really cute. Very crafty and creative. Very nice, very nice, very nice. And this one I can tell is a Grinch kit. So this one I won't be able to use until Christmas, but I really liked it, so I went ahead and got it. And it has Hello Weekend and Max, help me, I'm feeling hate, 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 double hate, loathe entirely. I must stop Christmas from coming. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Oh, so cute. These are cute. 4 o'clock, wallow in self-pity. 4:30, stare at the abyss. 5 o'clock, solve world hunger. And I think it says, oh, what's it say? I remember it from the movie, but I forget. Tell no one. That's right. Solve world hunger. Tell no one. 5:30, jazzercise. 6:30, dinner with me. I cannot miss that again. And 7 o'clock, wrestle with self-loathing. That's so cute. Oh my word. I love this one. And look at the little Grinch guy. Oh, that will be adorable. That will be really fun to use come Christmas time. Ooh, and this one looks really cute. Looks like it has those midliners, those highlighters. Oh, goodness gracious. I can't open this package for some reason. And Hello Weekend. Pretty pastels. Oh, it's a crafty one too. Yes, I do need all of the pins. And no, you can't borrow one. My hobbies include eating and collecting stickers. Sounds about right. A few of my favorite things. Oh, so cute. Absolutely adorable. Love, love, love. And I don't know if you guys, I know I've talked about it before, but if you don't know, Sweet Kawaii does their stickers in vinyl. And so you have to use like a Sharpie or something with them to make them so they don't smear. But their stickers, I really like them. Some people don't like the vinyl, and that's understandable, but I really do. So if you haven't tried it, you might want to. Oh, this is the Grinch set. And so there's the Grinch and a tree and the little dog. That's awesome. I'm going to put that with the Grinch. Actually, I think I'm just going to stick it right in there so that I will have it together. Quarantine and chill, it says. And I got a couple of these. That's hilarious. I'm going to give one of these to Tracy. Quarantine and chill. The toilet paper and the pizza and the phone. I mean, that's perfect. It's fun. I said Lisa. I'm going to give one of those to Tracy. Sorry. And Here's a cute little sampler. There's no place like home. Oh, this is cute. This is a vinyl. And it's for like your Tennessee or something like that. You can put this in there. That's probably how I'm going to use it. It's very cute. Looks like these are adult ones. I'll put those last. This says, "Nah, I'm good," and has the little guy. And I got 2 sheets of those, so I'm going to put my functionals in here. And then this one says, "Oh, it's fine. Everything is fine." And has the little bunny. And here's a little bee planning. I need a coffee the size of my butt. Yes, indeed. Touch my coffee and I will bite you. Clean the kitchen. Little TVs. Or it could be work from home. It could be like a computer. Crafty time with washi and scissors. And these are quarter boxes, and I thought that they looked kind of crafty too. I could use those for something. And then I went ahead and got it in the larger size as well, just because I liked them a lot. So I have those in both the sizes. And then here is the little itty bitty critters with their face masks on. That's awesome. Let's see. It says, "What budget?" and has the chicken spending money, which is perfect. And here's little dust bunnies. Aren't those cute? Maybe I should do like a cleaning. This one says, "Happy Friday" and "Happy Day." These are little frogs, because I call my son Frog. And I love this one. It's called Couch Potato. Has the little panda and the little green guy sitting on the couch together. And this one is called Booty. And I just think it's cute because you can see his little booty. And I think he's cute. This one is Trash. Grumpy Gills. Don't we all feel that way sometimes? This one is another work from home kind of one. This one is Coffee. This one is Hot Day, which is coming right up, I'm sure. And Iced Coffees. This one's awesome. Netflix and Avoid People. I like that. And here is Litter Box. And cute little llamas. And manicures. And this one is Medication. Make sure that you take your meds. This one is, it says Ninja Fingers Ready. I think that's cute. I'll use that from work from home. This one says order groceries and pick up groceries. This one has a little otter and it's cleaning. This one says, "Hang on, let me overthink this." She's knitting. And this one has iced coffee. And this is another one of those ones that say, "Oh, it's fine, everything's fine." And I got 2 of those. I got one for Tracy. And these say quarantine and chill. And this one says, "I believe you have my stapler." And it's got the little panda with the stapler. And this one says self-exam. And here the little sloth is with his coffee. And here he is with his engine, or his battery low. This one says everything hurts and I'm dying. Little dramatic sloth. And this one is spring cleaning and just has all different kinds of things that you would do in spring cleaning. And these say it's a beautiful day to stay home. This one is all aboard the struggle bus. This one is summer bucket list and has things like eat the corn, make s'mores, bake cookies, plant an herb garden. They say survive today, and there's a checkbox so you can mark it. And this one says it's too peoply outside. $2 Tuesday, give me the stickers, or give me stickers. Here's a unicorn with coffee. Cute little pandas, Valentine-y. Work from home. And then I thought this one could be used for work from home too. So if you guys don't want to see the explicitives, then go ahead and you can end now. But if you are still watching, then I am assuming that you want to see these. And they're really cute. I'll let you read this, but it's holy poop balls. Really cute. Funny. And this one is, well, crap. Holy crap. Aw, crap. No crap, Sherlock. This one says, kiss my fluff. And there's a little heart on that little, so that's the rear end of the bunny. There's a little heart on his ear. This one says GSD. This one says, don't give a frappe. And this one says, with a little beaver, do it yo damn self, D-A-M. Kind of cute. And this one says, this is Boo Sheet. And he's holding a sheet that he's making into a ghost. So this is Boo Sheet. And these are different ones. Just it's called expletive sayings. And I have round 1 and round 2. And sometimes you just need it. So that is those. That is everything that I got from Sweet Kawaii. I hope that you guys like it. Fun stuff. Lots of nice kits and really great stickers. Just a lot of fun, and I'm excited about it. So I'm excited about giving some of these to Katie too, but I'm going to give this set to Katie, and I'm going to give these to Tracy. And yeah, I'll probably divide some of the others up too. We'll see. But really cute stuff. Again, I'm really glad I got it, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.